Hey there! Struggling to download those Mobile Legends resources on your iPhone? No sweat! I've got some quick fixes lined up just for you. Let's jump right in and get those issues sorted. Solution 1. Use a VPN. First up, give the 1.1.1.1 faster internet VPN app by Cloudflare a shot. It's reliable and won't cost you a penny. Simply fire up the app, toggle the connect button, and then check if those resources start flowing. Solution 2. Reset network settings. Head back to the Settings app. Scroll down until you spot General and tap on it. Keep scrolling a tad more until you see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, then hit Reset Network Settings. Confirm your action by tapping Reset Network Settings again. Your network settings will now be good as new. Now, fire up Mobile Legends and check if the problem has vanished. Solution 3. If all else fails, offload the game. Open up your settings. Then, scroll down to find General and tap on it. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Keep scrolling until you locate Mobile Legends, then give it a tap. Then hit the Offload app button. After confirm by tapping Offload app again, voila, it's offloaded. Simply tap on Reinstall app now, and it will start reinstalling. Once it's done, launch the game, and those resources should start downloading smoothly. And there you have it. That's how you tackle the issue of resources not downloading in Mobile Legends on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, show some love by hitting that like button. Questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you in a jiffy. Thanks for tuning in.